This video is on using the new labor scheduler within ExtremePOS version 3.3. To access the labor scheduler, you'll need to have an administrator account in the system, and then go to Tools, Labor Scheduler. You'll have to log in with your ID and password. It'll bring you to the current week. In order to configure the start day of a week and your default open to close hours for each day, you can go to Scheduling Options. So, for example, if you wanted your work weeks to start on Mondays, you can also set up your hours of operation, but for the moment we'll leave them alone. Let's say I wanted to schedule for next week, the week of September 15th, 2014. I could simply click on the day I want to schedule for. It'll bring up the day's schedule for that date. Hit Add, and you can select between your cashiers. I've got 3 in this system. It's going to default them from open to close for that day for whatever you've got. Let's say that we want this particular employee to work until 11 a.m. We can then save it. Once you have saved it, it will display a grid so that you can easily visually see the hours that you have covered by your employees. When you close it, if you go back here, you'll see that you have the week's totals for each employee in hours to make sure you don't go over 40 without meaning to. Once you have a schedule you like, if you want to, you can simply copy it from one week to the next by going to that week and hitting Copy Previous Week. You may schedule for up to 1 year in advance, although that may be further than you would typically want to.